I'm using a fat brush here, and I'm just putting in the center, and the brush is double loaded with a light yellow and a darker brown, and I use each side to create the depth. I'm going to put some lighter yellow here. It makes that center dark sink down in there. I'm mixing up some paint over here for the petals. I like to be symmetrical as I go, meaning that I paint from opposite sides to create some balance. I'm not going to go from left to right. I'm going to go from left, right, left, right, left, right. Trying to keep my arm out of your way there. Then this one will be on an angle, and then the opposite one will also be angular. This sunflower is going to have petals all the way around it. This is just a practice piece. I'm just practicing on watercolor paper. This is a good thing to do to learn how to do something or to practice something you haven't done in a while. I'm adding some darker value petals here. You have to have more than one value. Otherwise, it's very flat looking. Now we're just going to add a stem and some leaves. We're just practicing here. So you can do this over and over and over again until you get comfortable with the brush stroke. The leaf stroke is very similar to that petal. You have to practice turning the brush, putting pressure on the brush. You just can't practice enough. Not crazy about that one, but it'll work out okay once I get these added.